we don't want to get rid of what Hollywood did. This paint job comes from Hollywood. It's straight from the movie Twister with Bill Paxton and Helen Hunt. But as you can see, there's no drivetrain in it whatsoever because she stayed on a wall at Planet Hollywood for some years. Plan is to get it back running on its own 2 feet, running, driving, dependable vehicle. Let's make the outside look like it did in the movie. Let's get to taking it apart. And we're gonna do it good too. Like, we're not gonna skimp. It's gonna look like it's gonna have its patina, but everything under here is gonna be brand new. We're keeping up with all our bolts and where our shims go, so we can put her back exactly as she came. Front cap removed. You can tell this truck, she used to be white. And she's got a little rust. We're going to address that. We're going to get right there. So like some rockers will be in order. But aside from that, so far so good. More disassembly. Let's get this old camper off. She's seen better days. Look how she bows down in the middle. So she's got some rot going on. We're going to address that. Finding a replacement, I think it's going to be impossible. Let's get it off though. We can start pulling the bed off. All right, we're debating on where to put the camper for the meantime. We're saying let's put it on this funeral. But there's the same truck right there. We could have set it on there. And the problem is, she is just rotten. Can you get is the front unstowed yet? Every time we try to move her, just a lot of bad. We don't want to mess it up. It's part of the truck. Okay. Yeah. You got her all. That there is what got her. She's just old. It's okay. You can tell this spot here has never seen the light of day hardly since it was painted. And the paint looks really good underneath it. So that's what we're getting matched, is this. One more piece of the puzzle removed. Now to get this big gal off. Cab bolt. So far.
It didn't come out till 80, did it?
Do it.
The square body left system come out at 80.
This still runs a anyway, we got all the cab bolts out but one. One of them was rusty. The same one we've been looking at. You can tell she's got some ventilation. That one there is in a bad spot. Fix that. Finally, we got that rusty guy out. It's actually in good shape. The keeper that held it had rotted into, so she was spinning. So we get to replace that. Alright, the only thing left is the steering shaft, and we'll be ready to pull this cab off. Cab is loose. Alright, you gotta get on the chain hoist in the shop, pick it up. We'll bring the chassis out. We'll start sandblasting and steam cleaning. Now, get some paint shot on her. Get these tanks off and cleaned up. It's gonna be all right. She's gonna be a nice old truck. Got some cab corners. We gotta get those in. And rockers, looks like this side ain't too bad. The driver's side is horrendous. And with the cab swinging, we can see what we got to play with.
No, it ain't supposed to have none up on the front.
We got some bad rockers there and there. There.
That's what you're talking about.
That's your inner rocker.
Yeah. That one got it up so long here.
I had a trans leak when I was filming, I guess. About the same time looking. Had a rear seal leak. Everything else looks good. We get dirty. Not too shabby. Alright, chassis is a part from the body. And it looks really good. I don't see any rust, any cracks. Square bodies are bad about cracking around these steering gearboxes. So it looks great. And sometimes you'll see them crack behind the bump stop back there. Again, it looks great. I think all we're gonna do is sandblast and clean and paint. We'll get this front end. We'll put all new lines on it and go through the brakes. Make sure the ball joints are up to snuff. Change the grease out in the diffs. Put some new seals on them. He's gonna be all right though. So far, so good. It's a shame you can't find Remingtons anymore. Those are cool tires back in the day. All right, rust repair begins. Gotta get that crummy rocker out. You can see we got some ventilation issues. Come on, it shouldn't be there. It goes all the way down to that guy. We'll replace him. Get this rocker out and see where she stops. We got a brand new one to pop in. We have to remove the door to get a good clean joint there. And we have found the extent of the rust. It stops right here. So even the rocker's not awful. It's just bad up there. We're going to replace this whole section though. The good thing with these parts, you don't have to use the entire thing. We ordered a new rocker that covered all, but we want to save as much as the original as possible. This is perfect. So we're going to get this size in. Get that replaced, do a little body work, and we'll even clean this up inside. We'll blast it down to raw metal, and we'll spray a rust preventative coating on top of it. So update, it's coming. We've got a new inner. Got it cleaned up and straight. We got to finish welding, but we got the new outer on. She looks really good. She shuts good. She's got a good door to gap rocker ratio. Looks wunderbar. This side we have got the rust out. We went in and shot the rust prevention up in it. So she ought to be good for another 50 years. And now we just gotta get all that pretty. Now, here we go. And bada boom, we got a good cab corner. So if I start blasting this frame, getting ready for paint, we're taking the tanks off. Back up, taking the tanks off, right? This side, you can get a socket in there, zip it off, pull the strap down, tank will come. This one here, Chevrolet, left too small a hole for a socket to get in, so you actually got to sit there and wrench the thing off all the way. Why? What if you don't have a truck off the frame, need to replace the tank? They want you to pull the whole bracket, maybe? I don't know. Odd. Yeah, we've got most of the greasy sprayed off. We're gonna degrease it again and go over it again. Then we'll start blasting, pulling shocks off and whatnot. See if we can get some paint put on it pretty quick. Pulling the wheels off. Pull it off. I gotta film it. And I bet they have not been off since the movie was filmed in '96. Come on, Tyler, the people are waiting to see. Let's see what 1996 crud looks like. Oh yeah. Yep, 96. She is suspended. All right, in the morning we will start blasting, get it wiped down, get a nice chassis paint on it.